Hi guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a custom logo from scratch, okay, with just your smartphone. It's going to be on PixelLab. Let's dive into the tutorial. Stay tuned for my 2 days of professional flyer design. It's going to be coming up soon, and if you are not a member of my YouTube community, go ahead and join the premium membership, okay, so that you get outstanding ways on how you can start making cool passive income on the internet. Let's dive in, guys. Go ahead and download PixelLab using the link in the description. So click on this plus at the top left, bring in a text. So I want to write, so this is the name of the company. Just pick a font. This is the font that we are going to be using, Falcon. So go to datfont.com, datfont.com, or 1000 fonts. Okay, you should be able to download this font from there. If you are not able to download it, message me in the comment section. Okay, there must be a solution on how to download this Falcon. Okay, once you've gotten it, this is a project for a client. Okay, so the project has been delivered. I'm just trying to, with the client's approval, so I want to show you how to get a lettermark logo like this. So ensure it's in the center. I hope you are following. Change the color to black. Ensure it's on black, full black. Go ahead and copy it and show us how to modify this text. Okay, so copy it. The one you just copied, send it to the center. You can see that there are 2 layers here now. So go ahead and merge the 2 together. Now you can see there are 2 layers here. Go ahead and merge the 2. So if you feel it's rough, go ahead and copy it. Delete this first one, then bring this other one down, and you see, make sure it's in the center. Okay, go ahead and copy it into 3 layers. So these ones are no longer text again, they are layers now. So send everything to the center. Okay, go ahead and lock the 2 or hide these 2. Then let's work with the topper layer. We'll work on the layers one after the other. So guys, we'll be working on each of the layers one after the other. Go ahead and hide and lock the remaining 2. Let's leave the topper one. Okay, so we'll click on the topper one, bring in a shape. Okay, let's just say we want the shape to be in right angle triangle. So we want the shape to be in this triangle. Go ahead and use the rotate option. Make sure it's straight, then use your position key to move it down. If you want to cover small parts, go ahead and copy it. So once you copy it, just bring it down. And let's say you want to cover some part of this A. Follow the steps, guys, and you will not get lost. Use your position key this time. Can you see? So now you can use your rotate option. Okay, do as I do in the video in case your hand is shaking. So use your position key now again to move it up. So you want to cover that part. Go ahead and copy it. Let's say you want to cover this part again. Take note of the parts that you are covering so that you'll be able to work on the other layers properly. So use your position key to move it. Can you see? To cover that part too. Ensure your work is perfectly covered or masked. Is either you. Okay, so once you are done, go ahead and merge these 3 shapes with this first layer. So we want to mask some parts out of that first layer. Once you are done merging them, go ahead and click on erase color, enable it, and increase the tolerance. Okay, so once you are done, bring in a shape. change the color of the shape to black. We want this logo to be in PNG. So send the shape inside it, then merge the shape with that same logo. Can you see it's now in PNG? So go ahead and unhide another layer. Let's say we want to hide this first layer now. So this other layer, I want to mask some parts out again. Follow the steps, guys, and you get the same result. Okay, let's say we want to mask some parts out of this S. Do as I do, guys. So use your position key this time. Can you see? Then bring in a shape. Let's say we want to bring in a shape, a triangle shape. Then use your position key to move it down. So guys, once you have been able to mask that part out, can you see? We use the shape, we use the triangle, the little triangle, to mask that part out of that S. Okay, so now we are bringing in another shape. I want to mask this part of this M out now. Okay, you can see that I'm not doing too much. Okay, it's just a way of making a gradient logo in PixelLab. Okay, there's a lot you can do with PixelLab, so subscribe to my channel so that you learn how to upskill with just your smartphone. Okay, all our tutorials here are free, so don't get scammed. Okay, so I want to copy it. You can see that that part is still remaining small to be covered. So go ahead and do it as I'm doing it. Okay, use your position key so that you will not have any issues. Can you see? So once you are done, go ahead and make those shapes. Okay, with that one that we are masking now, that we want to mask. Ensure you know what you are doing. Ensure you know the layers that you are masking. Okay, that's why I went ahead to hide these two layers. Okay, so once you are done, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Okay, if this video is bringing you value, the same process, increase the tolerance, share the video to others so that they also learn from it. Okay, and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get more updates once we post like this. If you look at the top of this M, you see that it's not properly masked, so go ahead and click on eraser. You just increase more, then you want to clean some parts of that M. Undo. Just reduce the size of the brush. There's some black part at the top of this M, and you see it has gone. So now I'll go ahead and click on the last layer this time. So go ahead and bring in a shape. Do as you have done for the first element. Can you see? So that it will be on PNG and merge. So unhide this one. For the last layer now, for this last layer, I can go ahead and change the colors of this one before I edit this last layer, and I can go ahead and edit the last layer from here. Okay, for this last layer now, let's say I want to use this eraser. You can also use the eraser for this process. Okay, but I decided to use the shape and the eraser for this one. So just increase the brush at the top. Then let's say I want to erase some part of this R. Okay, as I do, guys. So I'm working on the parts that we have not worked on. So increase the length of the undo. So let's say I want to erase all these parts. Hope you are flowing with me, guys. So okay it. So I'll go ahead and change the color of all the whole layers now, so that you see what you have gotten. So let's say I want this one to be green. Then the last layer now, I want the last layer to be, let's say I want the last layer to be blue. Okay, so you see that one of the layers are not showing. Another thing you can do is, and you see, so I'll teach us one trick now. So if you hide this one now, it means the red layer, this is the red layer. Okay, so go ahead and use your eraser this time. I want all the colors to show. So let's say we want to erase some part of this R. There are some text there that we've not erased, so we need to erase them. It's either you say you want to erase them or you want to mask some parts out. Okay, so can you see all the three colors are showing now? All the three colors are showing now. Can you see? So you can go ahead and use the eraser again. Let's say we want to mask some part of this M out. Okay, this M, we want to mask some part out. Let's say we want to mask all this part out. Go ahead and okay it. Can you see, guys? Ensure your work is straight. So can you see? You can go ahead and move the layers around. Okay, and you can go ahead and hide any particular layer and mask anyone out. Okay, you get good results. So for instance, this is the second layer, which is the blue. Okay, the more you hide this topper layer, the more the topper layer is the red one. The more you hide it, the more the blue layer will show, and the more the green layer too will show. If you want the green layer to show more, you are going to hide some part of this blue one. Hope you are following, guys. So to hide some part of that blue one now, let's go ahead and click on the eraser here. Increase the length, increase the brush size. Then let's say we want to clean this side of the S, and let's see which color will show there. Okay, just reduce the size of the brush. So okay it. Can you see? Can you see that blue part just started showing there now? So this one is the green. If you also want the green to show, you can also mask some parts. Okay, you can see that my hand is not straight, so when you are doing it, make sure that your hand is straight. That is the reason why I use the shape to mask. Okay guys, so if you found value from this video, share it to others so that they also learn from it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and merge these three shapes together. So I'll merge these three shapes together. Then click on this emboss option, this last option, emboss. Click on it, enable it. The work is scattering, just increase and expand it like this. Can you see? Can you see? So once your work is correct, check the light angle properly. Okay, work on the intensity. Okay, do as I do in the video, guys. Increase the hardness, then reduce this one, make it 5. Come back, check all these settings properly, ensure you get a good logo. Okay, see it from the client perspective of the client, as if you are paying for it. Okay, once you are done, okay, go to shadow, turn it on, reduce the blur radius, then go to 3D shape. Can you see? Click on 3D shape, turn it on, reduce the depth. then okay it. Make sure your work is in the center, then just look for a good background. Okay, test your job in various background. Guys, this is how to design a custom lettermark 3D logo. Okay, and this was accomplished in PixelLab. If you want more tutorials like this, stay tuned. Drop your comment, drop your suggestion on anything you think that will help us in creating more videos like this. And also, you can join my premium subscribers on YouTube so that you get amazing benefits, okay, more insights than this. So click on this icon at the top to save your work. This icon at the top, click on it, save as image. So you can just leave it at ultra mode. Peace, guys.